If you're trying to use the same strategy that you've been using in Facebook ads for your Google ads, then I can tell you, stop. You are going to absolutely lose an arm and a leg if you do so. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why and what you must know about Google Ads in order for you to get results and sales for your business. If this piques your interest, then keep watching this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I share everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now, in our last video where you can actually watch right over here, I talked about the top 5 things that rarely people know about when it comes to Google Ads. And ever since I talked about Google Ads, I've been getting a lot of messages asking me to record more videos about Google Ads. So this is why I'm creating this video for you so that you fully understand exactly how Google Ads work and how you can use it for your business. Now, before I get into today's topic, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. And on top of that, it will help me rank up in the YouTube algorithm. So that being said, first thing first, lots of people start to look at Google Ads because recently Facebook ads has been superbly expensive, and more importantly, the Apple iOS 14 update definitely made a huge impact into Facebook ads. Now, here's the deal. Google Ads is amazing. However, it's not really built for beginners because when it comes to Google Ads, there's a lot inside Google than what you actually see. And as a matter of fact, as I said before, when it comes to Google, it's simply a network within a network. So if you're trying to actually start Google Ads and using your Facebook ad knowledge and strategy, it's absolutely not going to work because the way that Google Ad functions and advertise and actually show your message to their visitors are completely different than Facebook. And listen, if you are literally looking to start running Google Ads, you have to watch this video to the end to fully understand how it works and what you have to do in order for you to maximize your results. So with that being said, here's one thing. When it comes to Google Ads, the behavior of these visitors are completely different in each network. And if you compare this directly with Facebook, it's even more different than anything else before. So with that, I wanted to give you the foundation understanding about Google Ads and what you need to be aware of when you are setting up your Google Ads within these network, and most importantly, understanding the psychological behaviors of these visitors, because if you don't know where they are at in the customer journey, you are absolutely unable to fully take advantage of them and turn them into customers. So with that, let's dive right in. First of all, let's talk about the search network. Now, when it comes to the search network, I call these people hyperactive buyers. And the reason why I call these people hyperactive buyers is because number one, these are people that have a specific problem and they're looking for a solution to it. Number two, these are also people that have questions and they're looking for answers. After all, people say that now Google have all the answers, which is obviously true. Third of all, is the fact that these people are already in market to buy something or to actually make a big purchase, and they want to simply do a review to learn more about the product that they are going to buy, probably looking for other people's feedback or simply looking for better offers by other competitors. So with that, you gotta understand that these people are simply hyperactive buyers. They are going to make a decision in a very short period of time, and your goal in your ad is to specifically give them the answers they want and turn them into customers almost immediately. It's kind of like if you are wanting to have pizza tonight, guess what? You simply go to Google to search for Pizza Hut or Domino Pizza or whatever your favorite pizza restaurant is. You look up for their phone number and you call and make an order right away. So that process is actually very, very quick. And your goal with your Google search ads is exactly doing the same thing. You want to actually close the transaction as quickly as possible and really get your ads in front of those that are ready to buy right away. So it's going to be very different on creating hooks, angles, or marketing angles to get these people to click. After all, you're simply just giving them exactly what they want and give them the reason why they should become your customer. Now, network number 2 is the display ad. Now, display ad is rarely talked about, but I can tell you, you can literally have access to over 90% of internet users worldwide if you know how to use display ad properly. However, with display ads, there's a terminology that we always say. It's called banner blindness. Most people, when they see that it is an ad, they will most likely ignore it. However, why is display ad so effective? Well, first of all, it's because of Google's targeting capability on where your ad actually show makes a huge difference. For example, if someone is reading up information about buying health insurance and there's an ad that specifically have an offer and hook that attracts the person to talk more about the insurance offer, chances for that person to click on the ad and go through the customer journey is going to be very high. Now, to that point, one very important element that you need to understand when it comes to display ads is that you would need to create a pattern interruption ad. So what I mean by that is, like I said, this person is on the World Wide Web reading an article or consuming content on a particular subject. And what you're trying to do is to interrupt them from reading that content or watching that video to actually have them get interested in what you have to offer to go through your sales journey. And in order for you to do so, you need to craft a super pattern interruption ad to get in front of these people to actually make them forget about that article, to go to your website and then go through the sales funnel. So as you can see, there's already a significant difference when it comes to search ad and display ad. Now, the third is obviously YouTube ad. YouTube ad is similar to display ad, but it is all using videos. Once again, you need to actually have pattern interruption to make them stop watching whichever YouTube video that they are about to watch to get their attention and actually watch your video instead and go through the call to action. So again, just like display ad, YouTube ads simply just use videos to pattern interrupt, pique the person's interest to forget about the YouTube video that they're about to watch, to actually watch your video and go to your website to consume the content in order for you to turn them into customers. Now, the fourth network is called the mobile ads. Here's the thing, as a direct response marketer, which essentially we simply advertise to generate sales or leads and turn it into a profit right away, mobile ads don't really work that well for us. However, if you are into branding and really want to get the word out for your brand, then banner ads on mobile can work really well. Because after all, you are going to pay pennies on the dollar for that impression, because ultimately these are more mass market people. After all, majority of these ads are actually showing on these free apps where people are forced to actually watch these ads in order for them to actually use the app. So in a nutshell, mobile ads are really built simply for number one, brand awareness, and number two, if you have a mobile app, then that may work well. I never had a mobile app company before, so I can't tell you the difference. All right. Now, the last network is the shopping network. This is what or where majority of people really want to tap into when they are into e-commerce. But let me tell you, shopping network is very complex and it's not as easy as what you think. After all, there's going to be mountains of competition when it comes to the shopping network. Because at the end of the day, these people are already in market in the shopping to look for a specific kind of products. Now, you are not going to be the only person that's going to be selling to these people. So in order for you to really capitalize from the shopping network really falls into two categories. Number one, you're skimming the markets, which that means is that you are undercutting everyone else and selling at a lower cost. And people can actually choose you because they're deal shoppers. Number two is that you have a unique products within the type of product that these consumers are simply looking at. When you're able to actually identify if you are going to be skimming the market or you're going to be basically offering a unique product, then at that point you will have a competitive advantage when it comes to the shopping network. But as I said before in our previous video, which you can actually watch over here, shopping network, you have zero control over where your ad actually have been shown. At the end of the day, in order for you to really benefit with the shopping network, you need to actually burn some cash to remove the keywords that is actually showing up your product, which is not getting you results. You simply delete them. So with that being said, like I said, Google Ads is a lot more complicated than what you think because there are different networks within it. The way that you set up the campaign, the way that you talk in the ad, the way whatever you offer in your ad, and even simply the sales funnel that you have built for this network are going to be absolutely different if you want the highest ROI. So I hope that this video helps you out and give you a full understanding about how this network works and most importantly, the psychological behaviors of these people. Now, at the end of the day, if you want me to actually record more videos about Google Ads, let me know right into the comment box right down below. Listen, I actually have more experience in running Google Ads than Facebook ads, believe it or not. I actually started my Google ad advertising before even Facebook actually have an ad platform. So if you're interested to learn more, help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and drop a comment right down below to help the YouTube algorithm. And the more comments that I have, the more chances I will record more YouTube ads training for every single one of you. Till next time.